all your favorite herbs throughout the season with the hanging herb garden. These are not only easy to grow and versatile, but they are great for those with little to no space for garden area. Although you can grow any herbs which are used in your kitchen or as an ornamental purpose. But today I am going to tell you that how to grow in hanging pot, a very useful herb which is used in your kitchen almost at daily basis. It is Mentha arvensis, which belongs to family Lamiaceae. It is commonly originated from Asia, Europe, and naturalized in North America. Commonly, it is called as mint. Mint leaves are good source of keratin and antioxidants that promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. It is medicinally very effective to ease allergy symptoms and used for respiratory ailments. Mostly its leaves are used to make a tea that is used for cough and colds. It is also used to treat wounds and most popularly known as a remedy for digestive problems. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C and B complex, phosphorus, calcium and has antibacterial properties. Its leaves contain low calories and contain a minimal amount of protein. So, it is used in your weight loss diet. It is also used to improve your immunity. Mentha arvensis has a creeping rhizome. The leaves are oblong, elliptical to lanceolate, dark greenish above and light green below. To make a hanging pot of mint, you can take any empty bottle of water or juice. Take a small cutter or knife and make some small holes on that bottle. Make sure that these holes are very small. For proper growth, we should take cuttings from the top growth of mint plant, and it is about 5 to 6 centimeter in length. Usually mint cuttings take 14 to 20 days so that it grows a root. Mint will grow roots out of the leaf nodes on the stems and can be rooted in soil or water. Now remove the lower leaves from stem and cut leaves below the leaf node. Now come back to the field. Take some fresh soil and put it in some bowl. To make good healthy growth of mint, take some ordinary soil and add some used eggshells in it. The grounded eggshells provide your plants calcium and minerals that help your garden thrive. That is why they are great fertilizer. It can also help to remove pests like slugs and snails. Just crush a few eggshells and mix it with used tea and ordinary soil. Using tea in compost adds that nutrient-rich component to the compost. It can easily better for your indoor and outdoor plants. Now put this nutrient-rich soil in bottle and mix it well. Now take an ordinary pipe. Make some small holes on it. Then put this pipe in a bottle containing soil. Now insert small mint cuttings in small holes of bottle and add some water from pipe for proper moisturizing of the soil. Hang the pot and wait about 10 to 20 days. After that, you will find a mint-rich leafy bottle. You can hang it on your balcony or near your kitchen. If you like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe Miracle Herbal Diversity so that you can get our next upcoming videos.